Hey, glad I get to call you again. Don't worry, there isn't anything new tonight to deal with. I just want to talk to you about something. You notice that boarded up room right next to the left hallway, right? You can't see it on the cameras, so don't even bother looking. Isn't it kind of weird how nobody really wants to talk about it? I'm 99% sure it's because the kids' bodies are hidden in there. You know, the kids from the missing children incident of last year. I mean, I can see why management would do this. The mine already closed down once, they don't want to shut down permanently. Even though that's probably gonna happen anyways. Can't prevent the inevitable, I guess. Not only that, but isn't it odd how the mobs only appear after the incident? There's rumors going around that mobs are the children's ghosts. I'll be honest, I personally don't think it's as stupid as it sounds, as they only come out at night and not during the day. And night is when you see most ghosts. Anyway, I should go now. You need to focus. Good night. Talk to you soon.